No one else told me, ne? Right, okay. Acute angle, it is a 30-degree angle. So this is speed division and right complementary angle. 90 minus 30 will give you the complementary angle of this 30 degree, which is 60. Write the supplementary angle 180 minus 30, which is 150 degree. Right? So, supplementary angle of this 30-degree angle is 150. This is how we are going to find. If you hear the word complementary, it should complete 90 degrees. If you hear the word supplementary, it should complete 180 degrees. Right? So these things will more help you to do your term test. Huh? So I am randomly discussing the questions from everywhere. Right. So this is something like third or fourth example.
Fourth example. Fourth.
Fourth name, Aparadi. I missed to do recording. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we start. 4 kilograms and 400 grams. Divide by 4. So what should be the answer? 4 kilograms and 400 grams. Divide by 4. So you can use different ways to do this. You can convert them into grams and then divide, or you can do it here also. Right, so let's do. I will use this 4 kilograms and 400 grams divide by 4 because I am going to divide it by 4. So, how many 4s are there for 1? 1 kilogram, 400. How many 4s are there for 400? I have divided like 100 grams.
100.
Yes. So your final answer will be 1 kilogram and 100 grams. There is another way, right? So I will keep refreshing your knowledge. Right? So, how many grams are there for 1 kilogram? 1000 grams.
1000.
Right? Yes, 1000. So, how do you convert 4 kilograms and 400 grams into grams? So what you have to do is 4 kilograms and 400 grams can be written as 4000 grams plus, right? 4000 grams. 4 kilograms means 1000 grams into 4. Well, 4 times 1000. 4000 grams plus 400 grams. So altogether you have 4400 grams. Right? So either you can divide this one as well. Okay? So if you want to do this, so you can use that one as well. So how do you use? 4400 grams divide by 4. How do you divide? Right. So I will use the long division. This one. 4400 grams divided by so long division.
1100.
Yes. 1100. Right? So equals 1100 grams. Right? Now, here you have 1100 grams. So I will give you a trick. Right? I will give you a trick. on how to convert this into kilogram and into gram. So, how many grams are there for 1 kilogram? 1000 grams. Here you have 1100 grams, right? Okay. So the trick is this. From the end, you have to count 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, and put a dash. 1, 2, 3, put a dash. So from this side, 1 kilogram. From this side, you have 100 grams. 1 kilogram and 100 grams. So this one is same. 4400 grams. Right? 4400 grams. From the end, 1, 2, 3, dash. 4 kilograms and 400 grams. Right? This is how we are going to convert easily there. Right? Right. Next one. This is a triangle and this angle is x. This angle is also x. This angle is 30 degrees. Right? Find x. Find x. So, what can you tell about the interior angles of a triangle? Interior angle of a triangle. The summation of three interior angles of a triangle equals to 180 degrees. Right? The summation of the three interior angles of a triangle equals 180. So you have to use that here. No. How do you use that? X plus x. So I can write x plus 30. X plus 30 degree equals 180 degree. Yes. So you have to write down the reason. Right? You have to write down the reason. What is the reason? Interior angles of a triangle. I am not going to write triangle. I put just triangle side. It is enough. Right? So, how do you find the value of x? X plus x. 2x plus here 30 equal 180. Right? So, I am going to take this plus 30 to my right hand side. So, 2x plus 30. So, I will do the opposite thing, minus 30, and I have to do the same thing for my right hand side as well, minus 30. Right? Cancel out, right? Then I will write it here, from here to here. So my left hand side now I have 2x equals 180 minus 30, 150. Right? So here I have 2 times x, 2 multiplied by x. 2 multiplied by x. Multiplying, what is the opposite thing? Divide. You have to divide both sides by 2. Cancel out. Sorry. 2 times 1, 2 times 1. Right? So I will write the answer here. X equals 150 divided by 2, which is 75. Now, is this correct? No. When you are writing down the final answer, you need to put 75 degrees. Right? Degrees. Otherwise, they will ask, right? 75 degrees නැත්නම් they will ask කජුවට හෝ පොත්තට. රුපියල්ද මොනවද? කිලෝග්‍රෑම්ද සෙන්ටිමීටර්ද? No, degrees. Answer equals 75 degrees. When you are writing down your final answer, you need to put that symbol, right? Definitely. Otherwise, you will lose marks. Right. Okay. මම මේකද guys මේ තේරුණාද කියලා අහන්නේ මට වැඩි ප්‍රමාණයක් තමයි මට කවර් කරන්න ඕනේ so that I do it in a hurry. So then you can just reminding yourself. Right. Seventh part. Right. Reciprocal. Reciprocal of 5/3. So you guys know this. Write the reciprocal of 5/3. Write the reciprocal of 5/3. So the answer will be what? You have to change upside down, right? Numerator goes to the denominator, denominator comes to the numerator. 5/3, 3/5. So your final answer should be 3/5. This is the reciprocal of this. Okay? Right. Simplify. Simplify. 10/9 divide by 5/3. 10/9 divide by 5/3. These things have been done in the class. මේවා කරලා තියෙනවා අපි. මතක නැත්තම් ආයි බලන්න දාව ඉන්නේ හරි. These things have been done in the class. So how to do? Let's do. Equal mark. 10/9. 10/9. This is division. Division can be converted into multiplication. Yes. Division can multiplication. Yes. Right. When you are taking the multiplication of this division, what happened to this your right hand side fraction?
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal. Right. 5/3. It becomes 3/5. Okay. 3/5. Equal mark. Okay. I will do it here. So, can you further simplify this? Furthermore, simplify this. Can you simplify? Yes. 9 is in the denominator, 3 is in the numerator. You can simplify it. 3 times 1, 3 times 3, 9. And 10 and 5, 5 times 1, 5 times 2. Right? So we have done this thing. Right. 2 times 1, numerator 2. Denominator 3 times 1. Divide by 3. 2/3. The final answer is 2/3. Right. Ninth part. So this is 100 degrees and 60 degrees. This is X. And this one is 50 degrees. Find the value of X. Find X. Right. This is a quadrilateral. So you have to find the angle X. What is the magnitude of angle X? Right. And here, what you need to remember is, right, interior summation of the interior angles of the quadrilateral. Summation of the interior co-angles of the quadrilateral, which is equal to 310.
360 degrees.
Yes, 360 degrees. So let's apply. So I will begin from x. Right. So I am going to write down the answer. X plus 50 plus 100 plus 60 degrees equals to 360 degrees. So you have to write down the reason at the end within the bracket, right? Summation of the interior angles of a quadrilateral equals to 360 degrees. So you have to write down at the end, right? Within brackets, right? So I am not going to do that, right? Okay, x plus 50 plus 100 plus this 210 equals 350 degrees. Right. So I need to remove 210 from my left hand side. So x plus 210 degrees minus 210 degrees equals 360 minus 210. Cancel out, cancel out. X equals 0, 5, 1. X equals 150, right? Right. Right, final one. Factorize 2a squared plus 2ab. Sorry, 2a squared plus, let's take 4a. So how do you factorize? So when you are going to find the factors, find the factors, you need to find which terms are common for this, which terms are common for this, right? Which terms are common for this, which terms are common for this, right? So by looking at this, I think 2 is common for this one and this one because 4 is a multiple of 2, right? You can write 2 times 2, which is 4, right? And a to the power 2. Here you have two ways. I mean, a multiplies a multiplies, right? A multiplied by a multiplied by a to the power 2. And here also you have a. Here also you have a. Neither. So you can easily write down the factors of these three, right? So for this one, the common factor is 2a. And for this one as well, common factor is 2a because 1a is here and 4 is a multiple of 2, right? Okay, let's take it out. So very basically, what you can do is, right? I will rewrite this equal mark. I can write this as this 2 times a plus 4 can be written down as 2 times a times b. Right? If you know accounts, you can take it down. But if you already they don't know, it is like battling again, right? It stabilizing again. So you can write this 2. You can expand 2 times a times b. 4 can be written down as 2 times 2. A times B. Right? Done. So now for this one and this one, what are the common terms? Right? 2 is common. 1A is common. Right? 2 is common for both terms. And 1A is common from both. So that those are the common terms. So I will take 2A out. So this is my common term. 2A. I will put bracket. So if I take this 2 and this A from here out, so basically I can forget them. So I will cut them. So what is the remaining term? Remaining term is A plus. May pencil around the use your pencil, right? Peradeniya, use your pencil, right? I have taken 2A out. Okay, this one and this one. So what are the remaining terms? 2B. So this is the factorization. This is how we are going to do the factorization. Right. Very easy. Right. Okay, guys. So for today,